Alright, so this is the mirror. This came from Amazon, and I'll show you why I got it and what I like about it. So if you look on the back here, you notice that there's a piece of metal here and a piece of metal here. Now, the way that this works is there's actually a rail that I'll mount on the wall, and this mirror will simply hang from that rail. So you can hang this either vertically or horizontally. What is happening, fellow fixers? I'm Jeremy, and I'm a fixer. This is the channel all about helping you fix and maintain your home so you can help others do the same. So last week, I showed you how to install this LED light from Amazon. It was super simple installation, and it's something I've been putting off for a while. And the last piece of this bathroom is to add a mirror to the wall here. Alright, so this is what that mirror comes with. It comes with this bracket that will go on the wall here, and then it will just simply slide and hang from this bracket. And then there's also some of these anchors that we'll use to attach it to the wall. Now, if you remember from the last video, there's a vent pipe that goes about right here. So we'll end up hanging that bar over in this area somewhere. We may be able to straddle, depending on how big this is. Remember, our center point is underneath this screw, so we may be able to straddle that vent pipe and put one over here, and then one over here, and one in the middle somewhere. So let's get to it. If I measure this mirror, it is, what's that? 31 3/4. Alright, so if I make that thing flush with the bottom, you can see it's going to go just shy of that, and obviously I need to have room to set it up there and then let it fall down behind that bracket. So what I want to do is measure from the top of this mirror down to the bottom of the bracket so that I know how far from the top I want to mount it, or from the bottom. Either way would be fine. So let's go ahead and do that. If I want this to set almost on the bottom, or I should say the top of that backsplash, from the bottom to basically right under here, which is where that mirror is going to hang, is 27 1/4. Or I could go this way if I wanted it to hang a certain distance from that light, is 4 and looks like 3/16. Bracket is about 5/8 of an inch. That means that I'm going to have clearance from wherever the finished height of the mirror is to that light. I need to have at least 5/8 of an inch so that there's clearance to set the mirror in there and then have it drop down. So probably what I want to do is figure out where I want the height of the mirror so I don't have to crouch down to see myself, and then I will measure down from there let's call it 4 7/8. If we come down 4 7/8, then that'll give us enough clearance to hang the mirror and drop it down. So let's figure out where we want it. Alright, so because I'm tall and I want this mirror to be as high as I can possibly go so that I'm not having to crouch down to see myself in the mirror, I'm going to go ahead. We said that the highest we can go would be 4 7/8. So if I put a little mark right here, that's going to be the highest that I can make this bracket and still have enough room to hang the mirror. So I'm actually going to drop it down just a hair below that, just so we have enough clearance. So one cool thing about this mirror is that they give you this little level you can put inside the track. I'm going to go down a little bit, and that's level right there. And I know that this should be beyond my vent pipe. And I'll put one over here, and then I'm going to jump over this way just to make sure I clear that vent pipe. And those are going to be our 3 holes where we mount this bracket. Alright, so I like to put a level on here just to make sure that whenever I go in through these holes, they're actually going to be level. miss and go higher or lower, then your bracket's going to end up being off a little bit, and your mirror will end up being off a little bit. So let's go ahead and drill these out. And now we can go ahead and drive in these anchors. Alright, now the way that these anchors work is you drive them in, then you screw them in, which will open them up and have them grab onto that drywall. And then we can pull the screws out and we'll reattach them through the plate. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go ahead and hang the mirror. And there you go, super simple, easy fix. I like the fact that it just hangs there, and the best part about this mirror was a great value, great deal, and it works perfectly. So thanks so much for watching. If you didn't see the video on how I hung this light, I'll link that right over here. Go watch that, and as always, get out there and fix something. I'll see you on the next video.